Okay, I'm making this video so I can answer some questions on possibly buying some magnets, or you bought some magnets, what to expect, how strong are they, what are the phasing. Hopefully this will answer everybody's questions. Let's say you bought 4 magnets, you'll get a package like this with a lot of shielding. Inside there you'll find a little foil pack with 4 magnets in it. And these can be dangerous to handle. They're very, very strong. Inside here, you'll find a little paper pack. And you open this up, and you'll find your 4 magnets. These happen to be the 20 millimeter by 6 millimeter by 70 millimeter, basically 3/4 by 1/4 inch by 3 inches. You're going to want to take these apart to install them, or whatever you're going to do with them. Hopefully you're going to do some experimenting and make something to change the world. Who knows? Okay, 4 magnets. I would say you're only going to want to take one of these apart at a time as you're using them. Gloves are always a good idea. What I like to do is get them in a pill bottle if I'm going to store them. See that? That's why I got gloves on. Let's just get 4 of these in a pill bottle here. Okay, let's see, I got 4 in the pill bottles. That way I could get them apart. Otherwise, you get 4 of these connected or in a block or something. It's going to be very difficult to get them apart. Now at least I can handle them, deal with them. Like I said, if you only need 4, you say you bought a lot of 16 and you're only going to use 4 at first, just only take 4 off the block. Okay, a lot of questions on how strong these are. A couple ways to answer that. Here's a 2x4, or a piece of a 2x4. An old piece, probably bigger than a 2x4, I don't know. So if I take one and set it down here, put the 2x4 there, put another one on top, it's, you know, it's there. If I were to flip this one over, that one flips. If I flip it again, it flips. That's pretty strong. And then I had some questions on how much can they lift. Well, this one is a 20 millimeter one. I would say that I would estimate they probably lift close to 50 pounds. For an example, I will bring out a 25-pound weight, and with not even making contact with the whole magnet, not making contact with the weight, but only 2/3 of the magnet making contact, so really only using 2/3 of the power. This is a bungee cord. I'm just going to set this in the middle here. And set that. That's why I got gloves on. These will draw blood. So it's a 25-pound lifting weight. Hold on. Make sure it stays center. I'm lifting it up, just to show you that it's not a, it is a weight. I'll let it ring. So, yeah, they're pretty strong. Let's add some other questions on the phasing of the magnet. I'll give you an example of that right now, after I clean this up here. One magnet. There's another one. Let me just get the phase here. You know that opposites attract. So these look like, at this point, they are not attracting. So they're phased. That. Take my gloves off. I'm just going to mark these real quick. Let's mark this with, let's just say this side is a big minus. And say that this other one's a big minus. So at this time, they're the same. So they're repelling. I turn this one around, it repels. Turn it sideways, it repels. Any two sides here are going to repel. Careful, that thing will flip and jump onto this one. Repelling. See? Oh, see that? Really good example. These are pretty much as brittle, not much more brittle than porcelain. So they will crack. Like I just cracked that one. I'm glad that happened. It was a good example. But it's also another thing. You can get more magnets by breaking them. If you wanted smaller magnets. These you cannot cut. You can cut them, but you need some very heavy, serious machinery to cut them or mill them. Let's see what's going on here. See, they don't like it. Okay. Oh. Okay, I just broke a magnet. That's great. Okay, let's see how this reacts with testing silver. A lot of people argue, is my silver coin, is it genuine silver? This is probably a really good example of one use of these magnets. I know there's many of uses. These magnets happen to be, I should probably say this, happen to be sintered or highly sintered magnets. It means they're high temperature, they're resistant to high temperature, they're meant to go into motors or generators next to a copper coil that's producing a lot of heat. So I just took a jewel case. This one happens to be a Wardenclyffe. If you don't know what Wardenclyffe is, you should learn what that is. But so I put a magnet inside a jewel case here, and I'm just using this 2x4, and we're going to slide 4/9 silver coin. And watch how the silver coin reacts with the magnet as it slides down. A little more angle. Again, if you see that, there is some attraction there, and it slows down. Do it again. 90% silver. Morgan. 90%. See that slows down? This is a proof. It happens to be in a case. I didn't try this. I don't even know if it'll slow down. It will. It slows down a little. So it looks like it needs to be out of the case. But if we take the magnet out of there to show you the difference, same kind of angle, you know, it's not slowing down like that. See, that one doesn't slow down at all. Put the magnet back in. Slide it down. See, a little less of an angle. See, more angle here. Maybe it's some graphite powder. See that? Yeah. This one. And just for fun, we'll do a washer. Okay. Thank you for watching.